Good evening and welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 5th of December 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. So guys, I have supplied the bullish trend in case of Euro USD. The entry was 113287 and 113634 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the morning we have seen a significant upward trend on Euro USD and it has bent near to the target price that I have supplied in my signals report 113634. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on Euro USD. They must have collected a very good profit. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, a bullish trend was supplied from 126940 and 127493 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from this area where I have supplied the bullish signal, the market started to gain a bullish momentum and finally it has went beyond the barriers of the target price. So if you have traded Great Britain Pound JPY, Great Britain Pound USD in a bullish way as per the recommendations of 200forexwebs.com, then you must have collected a decent profit. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. We have also seen a very good recovery on this pair today. And 143549 was the bullish entry and 144316 was the target price. And guys, you can see today after the drop yesterday, today it has made the recovery and it has touched the target price that I have supplied in my signals report 144316. So if you have traded this zone, then you must have got a decent profit by trading Great Britain Pound JPY. At next, let's talk about EURJPY. Easy signal was supplied in the form of a bullish trend from 128080 and 128643 is the target price. And guys, you can see still the market has made a significant upward momentum right from the morning. You can see that we are going up on EURJPY and that was what suggested by 200forexwebs.com in the morning. So guys, it looks like that within a couple of hours it's going to hit the target price. So if you have traded already EURJPY, then I think you should exit from the trade because it's already very much into the upward trend. So there is no need to read further about this. At last, I'm going to talk about USDCHF. Okay, and let's talk about USDCHF. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. A bearish trend was supplied from 0,99944 and 0,99666 was the bearish target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a significant downward trend after the upward move yesterday. We have seen a significant downward momentum today and finally it has came near to the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, which is 0,99666. And the two of the trades must hit your stop loss and the rest of the trades have not taken the U-turn, so no trade should be triggered on these pairs. Okay guys, moreover for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is losing the momentum in the form of bearish candles from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is gaining the momentum from the lower red boundary, like red or blue boundary, it can be red and also blue, like here it has a slight touch at the blue boundary, then the market started to gain the momentum and throughout the day the market started to go up from 4th of December and today it was 5th of December and the market finally moved up. Okay guys, there is also a role of the middle line. Whenever you see that the candles are closed above the middle line, then there are further chances for the pair to go up. And whenever you see that the candle is closed below the dotted line, then we can expect the downward trend. And this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, I'm going to tell you about the scalper. If the scalper gives you the red signal in the form of red arrow at the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair with confirmation. But if it gives white arrow at the top red boundary, then ignore those arrows because the market has already into the overbought level, so there is no need to take a further buy position. So trust the white arrows in the lower red boundary and trust the red arrows at the top red boundary. So use these two indicators in combination, and also price action monitor is there to help you. When it changes its color to green, it means you need to buy. When it changes its color to red, then it means that you need to sell. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, If you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this, please send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.